Planning a trip on the MSC Seashore and wondering what the inside of an MSC Balcony Cabin room looks like? You've come to the right place. Let's explore our room on Deck 10, Room 10222.
Welcome to our cabin.
We just got on board the MSC Seashore, and here we are, our new home for the next 4 days. It's, of course, a cruise ship cabin, so it is a bit tight, but it makes use of the room well, which is what I really appreciate about all the designs of these cabins.
Yeah, and even though it's a small room, it's so light and airy here, it feels good. Yeah. It feels really, really good.
We're traveling as a party of 3, and we have our 5-year-old with us, so they have made the couch that would typically be here into a little bit of a mini bed.
So cute. She's so excited about it, so this is really, really nice.
First thing she did was like, this is where I'm sleeping, and yeah, we don't want her to sleep in our bed because there's not enough space. But a cool little turtle picture on the wall there, and then coming over to the beds, I think this is is it a queen or a king? I can't remember, but it kind of looks like a king.
It's giving king vibes, but this can't be a king, is it?
A king-size bed on a cruise ship, yeah. It can be done.
Yeah, I guess. And they have it all set up for us here with this little mat where you can
put your suitcase to unpack, which we'll be doing later.
All the information we have here on pool and beach service, the kids club here, and even some information on Wi-Fi, I guess.
We've already gone to the kids club to register our daughter. It's on Deck 18, and it's a place that there's going to be a lot of fun for the young'uns. Yeah. What's this on the pillows?
See this. Let's see.
At MSC, we want you to love every day and have a perfect night, so we've teamed up. Oh, it's an advertisement for DeLorean beddings.
Yeah. Oh, well, some good pillows. Seems like a really good, place to sleep. We've got a large mirror.
Whoa!
Of the bed.
This is more than a full-size mirror. This is like a minivan-size mirror. You can see everything.
Everything. Woo.
Okay, so you can come here, check out your outfit before you head out for the day. Wherever you're going, whatever adventure you're starting, this is a great spot to look. I want to check out this area over here before checking out the balcony, because we have our full-size TV, and there's a select section for just MSC on MSC ships, so you can get some information on what's going on. There's also live TV, and then video on demand, so you can watch movies that are pre-selected. I was on a cruise ship once, and they had Titanic as one of the movies on demand. That was not the best choice. And the fact that we watched it's even worse.
Yeah. And over here we got some more things, some little papers here. Oh, the remote, of course. Some pencils. And just some more things with breakfast. Yep. Can we order breakfast in this room?
We can. There's actually a room service thing over there, a QR code that you can scan and they'll deliver it. You've got your phone over there and some more information. Another mirror along with the desk. Mirror.
On top of the fridge we have here our ice bucket. Ooh. We have here our ice bucket, a couple of cups, a couple of glasses, as well as something really cool here, a phone charger. So you just put your phone there, and then it'll start charging.
Perfect. You don't even need to bring one from home.
Exactly. And then there's some extra space here to put anything, really. Sunglasses, hats, whatever. And underneath the vanity here is actually 2 stools. They really make great use of the space here. You get the one for the desk, and then another one, for other people to sit down on, if you're entertaining.
Next to that, we have some drawers.
Okay, good size drawers. They're empty for now.
Can't really fit a lot of clothes in these. No. I guess it's more for pens and papers, but there is another section for that. Hair dryer here.
Hair dryer's right there. Perfect.
Now here is the most dangerous part of the room, the minibar. Let's see if it's empty or if you can fill it up yourself. Uh-oh.
Oof.
So...
Oof.
Lots of options. If you want to pay some money, some real money, even if you have a drink package, go to town. But if you don't want to spend any more money, do not touch these drinks, because just up here, there's a minibar price list. And if you were to grab a Corona from here, that's an additional $9 going on top of your bill. So we're not going to be touching that while we're on board.
No. We don't. I don't see it.
What I do see is a closet behind you.
Oh, yes.
And this is a better spot for you to put your clothes.
So over here, there's some shelving. You've got a little safe here, too. And the bottom does come with some shelves,
Put in some more drawers,
undies,
socks.
swimsuit, all that good stuff.
Now, on the other side, you'll see we've already made use of it.
Yeah, we just put our suitcases in there, but
Got some hangers and lots of space to store the
yes,
suitcase to make
even
room.
at the bottom, there's places for shoes, or if you're here for a long time, you can really just spread out and enjoy.
Speaking about enjoying, you know what else we can enjoy?
What?
The balcony.
Oh yes.
Out here is the balcony. Let's go have a look. It's going to look a lot better once we're at sea. Right now it's a nice sunny day in Cape Canaveral, Florida. You can see the cruise port, but it's going to look a whole lot better when we're out at sea.
100%. But it's nice space here. A couple of chairs. A little worn out. That's okay. It's nice. I can't wait till we're out at sea. It's going to be even better.
As we come closer to the door area, we've got a couple of hangers here for hats or towels. And then this is a section that you need to put your key card in to actually power the room. And here you can choose if you want the room attendant to not disturb you or to come and make up your room. You pick out whatever one you want, and a light goes on outside. You've also got your thermostat to control the temperature of the room. Let's go check out the bathroom.
We got some more hooks here on the door when you first come in. Great place for towels.
Pretty small shower. Like I can get in there, but it's definitely, you're just showering with one person.
Yeah, so one person type of shower.
We got some towels over here. There's some lotion and body wash in there as well.
More towels.
And then the mirror.
Hey guys.
What's going on?
Over here we've got the toilet. I see some more. This is a floor mat, toilet brush, toilet paper. It's a great place to put your toothbrush in. Good size sink.
Underneath the sink, a little spot to store some stuff or to pull out some extra stuff. We've got a garbage can in there.
It's tiny, but great use of space. Yeah.
You're not expecting a large washroom on a cruise ship unless you're doing like the deluxe extra tiers. So overall, like this is perfectly fine.
Exactly.
Now it's time for the bed test. Okay, that is a very comfortable bed. That is very comfortable. It's firmer, and I like a good firm bed. Yeah, a day at the port walking around or at the beach at Ocean Cay, this is going to be great. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to look at what the rest of the ship looks like, check out our full MSC Seashore ship tour that's already live on our channel.